Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to download any image or media file to your WordPress website in 3 different ways. Also, one bonus tip at the end of the video. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can get many valuable tips and tricks related to WordPress. Our first method is by using the link of the image to download it without losing any pixel or transparency. Okay, let's start it. Log into your WordPress dashboard and click on the media menu. Select the image which you want to download. You can see the link of the image. Copy this link, open new tab and paste the link. Right click on the image and save it to your respective folder. Open the image. In this way, you can download any image from your WordPress website without losing any transparency and pixel. Here, try another image. In second method, we will use a plugin to export our media files. For this purpose, go to plugin menu, click on add new, enter the name of the plugin. Here we have our export media library plugin, which allow user to export their images to their local PC. Click on install now and activate the plugin. In next step, go to the media menu, click on export, select folder will file. If you want to download images in a separate folder, you can select the nested folder. If you want to compress the files, click on yes, otherwise keep it no. Download zip file, assign the location, open the file. Here we have all the images downloaded from our WordPress website. In this way, you can download the bulk amount of your WordPress images. Open the file. You can check all the images. Another way to download media files is by using File Manager plugin. For this purpose, go to the plugin menu, click on add new, and search File Manager plugin. Here we have our File Manager plugin. Now click on install now and then activate the plugin. Okay, you can see the WP File Manager option here. Click on WP File Manager. With WP File Manager, you can download any theme or plugin installed on your website. On the left side, you can see different options and files which are available. Click on WP Content and then click on Uploads. In this folder, all of your media files are available to download. If you click on evolution slider, you can find the images which I have uploaded. In order to download, please select the files and then click on download. Save files. Now open the zip file. So in this way, you can download all the images or media files of your website. Another method, which is a bonus tip, to download any images of any website which is not your website is by using inspect element. For this purpose, go to the respective website. Here I have a client website and I want to download the image which is shown below the blue gradient. Okay, right click and select the inspect element. Okay, click on this. On the right side, you can see the styles code. Here we have the URL link of the image below the gradient. Copy this link, open a new tab and paste the link. In this way, you can download any images of any website in a simple, easy step. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in next tutorial.